Welcome to my lecture. This is Beomjun Kim. I am a professor in physics department of Sungkyunkwan University in Korea. Well, the keyword of my lecture will be connection. And if we connect with each other even more strongly, then the outcome from the system becomes dramatically different. And I'm also going to talk about the network, that is the connection structure of people. And if we have a network structure, then we can understand the total, the difference between each individual and the whole system. That means that society as a whole can behave very much differently if we compare with individual persons. Well, welcome to Korea. I have never been to Malaysia, but I know a lot about Malaysia. And we know that Southeastern country and Korea have a very close relations, and in the future, the relation will be stronger. I believe your visit to Korea this time will benefit our Korean people and Malaysian people too, and it will be the future asset between Malaysia and Korean country for coming years.